up?
Yeah, you already know what it is. Your boy J. Creole out here, you know what I mean? Straight on the soccer field watching my Haitian play, you know, some soccer out here, you feel me? I'm with Moon Fu, my nigga Moon Fu, you know what I mean? You already know what's coming on the 24th of this month. Dun Status Store, you know what I mean? Dun Status Store out here, you know what I mean? Everybody gonna get a shout out to the Dun Status Store. You already want to know what it is. What's up, Moon Fu?
You know, shout out to the Dun Status, you know what I mean? J. Creole, Moon Fu, le futur du rap franco, négativité. That's what it is, man.
Status Store, man, August 24th, live at Ritual Nightclub in Ottawa. Luco out here, you feel me? Luco out here, everybody out here. Gotta check Luco, you know?
What up? J. Creole doing his thing in Ottawa. Shout out to the homies.
Dun Status Store, man. Dun Status Store on the 24th coming through. You know what I mean? Luco gonna be there.
I'm gonna be there, so you better show up. Everybody show up for support, man. Better be packed. Alright?
Yes, you already know what it is. Your boy J. Creole out here. I'm with my dog PSY. William Mansion.
You already know.
Love the car.
See the poets on the board.
Yeah, I mean, so like, you know, my niggas already know, like, it's the Dun Status Store, you know?
Yeah, go get that, you know what I'm saying?
You know,
Hot
fuck
right
with J.
now.
Creole heavy.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, that's family, boys. Family right here.
Dun Status Store mixtape, go download it, man.
Already know.
Yeah, ASAP.
Looking for that real hip hop out here.
Yeah, man.
Got the all-star team right here.
Yeah,
J. Creole, Dun Status. Make sure you come up for the show.
Yeah, 24th, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, and then we shooting like, yo, we shooting that video on the 1st of September.
Bang.
Yeah, I mean, everybody out there gonna come show love, you feel me?
I'll shut your mixtape on Punya.
Cunha, man.
Yeah, nigga. I say, oh, man.
I say Kila, man. I say Kila, man.
I shut your mixtape block. We go hammer it. Dun Status, William
Yeah, we
Mansion,
shot Kila, man.
B.O.B. on site.
Yo,
I don't think you guys want to miss it. Two All-Stars, Saturday, August 24th. You guys really want to miss it? William.
Shout out to
Dun Status. That's it.
Dun Status. That's all you gotta
Come
say.
pop some bottles with the Duns, niggas.
Dun Status.
No.
Yes, sir.
Green Ritual, 24th. We out here.
Yes, sir.
Hammer that.
Yep, sir. Shout out to you, man. New fat.
Shout out to KJ.
Pas juste 24 là, non, man. Pas juste 24 là, man.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Ammo, Southside 613 Liquid Cash. The show on Saturday, August 24th. You already know it's gonna be off the Heezy, the Sheezy. Boy Milio here, Liquid Cash artist.
You know, Liquid Cash, #1, we coming.
Coming up. J. Creole gonna be on stage with us. You got freshmen. You guys have to come support the local talents. It's what we be doing. When you guys are out there doing your thing, we be doing music. You know what I mean? That's what it is though. Come out, support.
Come out, support, you know, show love to everybody, your artists, Emilio, Sleepy, Iggy, Ammo, Dre Day, Full Tank. Buy the tickets, support your local artists. Buy now.
Holla for the tickets.
He rises up above it all and gets the respect